Usebut Menteri Rambak Kejela berkemi iktanat kampo yeng ubah Presiden Tinsong hakasengi baar ula kentu ye Sengbhalang trai jela ni bar jela kumju bagi mri benjam palat ye upun namar kaan kan map setia yenu yenuru ki badan keti hakajing penyap ye ki armut kinong bela bar jela ha ichamati East Khasi Hills. Kini kejing kentok kalami hapo sisni hadin kejing kam ki pulit ye armut ki khot ke KSU basu badan keti ben penyap ye kini kinong bela bar jela ke bajia haka arfnyo tarik urber. Ubah Presiden ula om baka kubor kalong ke basyai bha lada dei Sengbhalang jong ni hang ni ke Sengbhalang barjela. Baka jingkir pat cabaro kalong bawat om jam palat ya uput. Berai baka an kenyeng, baka an kan om map yenu ki badan keti. Ula kentu ye ke Sengbhalang bakin kiar na kumpini ke jingja ke bapin sosi ya baro haba kerpat ya baro baka an kalong halor ya baro mana kalian ke sarkar kan pintikina baka an kan ya halaka jong kalinti.
We all say the challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there, we are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this, that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I may call it the fake statement made that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily the fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.